I am Barote Khongsit from Kongthong village of Khasi block. In our village, we are having the living root bridge called by the name the Jiking Plat. This living root bridge has been made by our grandfathers since 300 years before. And this living root bridge are still now living and still functioning. And according to the tales of our grandparents, they told us that our grandparents they make before because there are two villages between them. The one is the Shangping village and another is the Play village. So as a means of communication between this village, because there is a river called the Warrel, so they planted this banyan tree, and after this banyan tree has grown up and produced the living roots, so they connected from one side of the river with another side. And as the time passed, this has become as the bridge which connected between these two villages. The main objectives of building this living root bridge is for the people to come and go through this, to cross over this river when they go to the field, and sometimes and most of the times when they used to come from one village to another village. But unfortunately, these two villages are no more today. But still, this living root bridge are present over this river. The importance of this living root bridge is that till now we can go to the field during rainy season when we cannot cross over the river, and also the wild animals who are living there during summer season, they used to cross the river through this living bridge. That's why it calls by the name the Jiking Plat, which is the wild animals which they usually use to cross over this living root bridge. And as a villager who live in this village, I am proud of our great grandfathers who has made this living root bridge, and at the same time we are fear that this living root bridge might be neglected by us. But from now on, we do hope that with the introduction to the war and with the knowing of the government, we hope that we can make use in such a way so that it will remain in our next generation as the assets of our grandparents and for the usefulness of our next generation. And we appeal to the government to take this initiative so that with our community we can promote, we can maintain so that it will remain in the times to come. And I would like to remind that the length of this living root bridge is nearly 38 meters from one side to another side. It is the largest living root bridge in the Khasi area as of now.